The garage is more than just a place to park your car. It's a workspace, a storage area, and for some, even a sanctuary. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional mechanic, or just someone who wants to keep things organized, upgrading your garage with the latest tools and innovations can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll explore the top must-have tools for your garage, focusing on practical devices that bring value and efficiency to your workspace. Number 10. Garage Air and Vac Multifunctional Powerhouse. The Garage Air and Vac is a versatile, wall-mounted tool combining a vacuum, blower, and air compressor. Its compressor can reach up to 7 atmospheres, 9.5 in upgraded models, ideal for cars and trucks. As a blower, it handles quick cleanups and inflates items like air mattresses. Its powerful vacuum mode is twice as strong as typical vacuums, making it efficient for cleaning floors, carpets, and hard-to-reach spots. Priced from $2,950, this multifunctional tool is a solid investment, offering maximum convenience and versatility for a clean and organized garage. Number 9. Cely PRK01 4-ton Modular Car Ramp Kit. For car enthusiasts or those who enjoy working on their vehicles, the Cely PRK01 Modular Car Ramp Kit is an essential piece of equipment. Priced at $1,116, this ramp kit is not just another set of ramps. It's a highly durable modular system that can be adjusted to fit various vehicle sizes and garage spaces. Made from polypropylene, the ramp is incredibly lightweight. Both sections weigh only 76 kilograms, but don't be fooled by its weight. It can support up to 4 tons, making it suitable for both home use and commercial garages. One of the best features of the PRK01 is its modular design, allowing users to adjust the ramp's length from its base size of 4.6 meters. With a width of 35 centimeters, it's perfect for working on passenger cars and smaller vehicles. The ramp's height of 17 centimeters gives just enough clearance for routine maintenance without needing to dig an inspection pit. Whether you're a home mechanic or a professional shop owner, this ramp offers reliability and convenience. Number 8. Easy Utility Jugs. Affordable storage solution. Fluid storage can often be overlooked in the garage, but the Easy Utility Jugs are here to change that. The EZ3 model costs just $40 and holds up to 11 liters of liquid, making it a cost-effective solution for storing essential fluids like oil, hydraulic fluids, antifreeze, and more. Unlike conventional containers, these jugs are made from high-density polyethylene, a durable plastic known for its chemical resistance and longevity. Each jug comes with 2 ergonomic handles and a special notch designed to make pouring liquids easy, even when the jug is almost empty. This makes it a practical choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Additionally, there's an optional anodized steel mount that can secure the jugs in place, preventing them from sliding around in your vehicle's trunk or garage storage area. For the budget-conscious dyer, these jugs offer a simple yet highly functional solution. Number 7. Park-A-Dot Simplified Parking Assistance. Parking in tight garage spaces can be stressful, especially when you're tired after a long day. Enter Park-A-Dot, a parking aid system developed by Mitchell Tinger from Emo Gizmo. Designed for simplicity and ease of use, this system utilizes the built-in safety sensors found in most garage door openers to help drivers park with precision. It's compatible with garage door openers from Chamberlain, Craftsman, and LiftMaster, provided they were manufactured after 1997. Installing the Park-A-Dot is a breeze. It takes just 3 simple steps and about 20 minutes to get everything set up. The system uses a red signal dot visible in your side mirror when parking in reverse, ensuring you don't misjudge the distance and hit anything. Originally priced at $29 on Kickstarter, the Park-A-Dot is an affordable way to make parking less of a hassle, especially for those with limited garage space. Number 6. Slat Wall Panel Garage Wall Organizer. One of the biggest challenges in any garage is keeping tools and equipment organized. The Slat Wall Panel Garage Wall Organizer solves this problem by allowing you to mount tools, spare tires, and other items on the wall, The panels are made from durable plastic and can support up to 453 kilogram per square meter, ensuring even your heaviest tools stay securely in place. Slat wall panels are also resistant to UV rays, oil, chemicals, and water, making them ideal for the often harsh garage environment. Each panel measures 60 into 120 centimeters and costs $100, offering a customizable and robust storage solution for any garage. Whether you need to store tools, ladders, or even sports equipment, these panels provide a flexible and space-saving option. Number 5. Pickup Pal, Magnetic Cleanup Helper. Keeping your garage free of metal debris like screws, bolts, and nails can be a real challenge, especially after a big project. The Pickup Pal is a magnetic tool designed to quickly gather small metal objects, making it an essential tool for anyone working with metal. At just $12, it's a budget-friendly option that enhances safety by preventing sharp objects from being left on the floor where they could cause injury. This tool is particularly useful for car enthusiasts and DIYers who regularly work with metal fasteners and need a quick and efficient way to clean up. Pickup Pal can even help you find lost bolts or screws, saving you time and frustration during repairs. Number 4. STK Concepts Flexit, flexible and powerful work light. Good lighting is crucial in any garage, and the STK Concepts Flexit work light is one of the best options on the market. It's compact, flexible, and incredibly bright, delivering up to 1,000 lumens of light. The light attaches securely using either 2 hooks or 4 neodymium magnets, making it easy to position exactly where you need it. The Flexit comes with a built-in 4,400 mAh battery, which provides up to 24 hours of light at minimum brightness, so you don't have to worry about frequent recharges. When folded, the light is just 13 into 13 into 4 centimeters, making it easy to store in your tool bag or even in your car's glove compartment. For only $40, this light is an invaluable addition to your garage, especially for those who work late into the evening. Number 3. The Lift by Top Shelf, space-saving storage solution. Keeping your garage organized can be a challenge, especially when you have sports equipment or seasonal items taking up space. The Lift by Top Shelf is designed to solve that problem by offering a motorized storage system that can handle up to 136 kilogram. Running on a standard 120-volt outlet, the lift system is easy to install and use, providing a convenient way to keep bulky items off the floor. Priced at $499, the lift is perfect for storing bicycles, kayaks, or any other large items that would otherwise take up valuable floor space. By using vertical storage, you can reclaim your garage for other projects, making this tool a smart investment for any homeowner. Number 2. ESCO Gecko Grip Flexible Tray, durable and convenient storage. If you often work on small projects in your garage, you know how easy it is to lose track of small parts like screws, bolts, and washers. The ESCO Gecko Grip Flexible Tray is the perfect solution. These bright green trays are made from food-grade silicone, which means they can withstand heat up to 199 degrees Celsius and are resistant to oils and chemicals. What sets these trays apart is their ability to stick to almost any surface, even textured ones. This makes them incredibly useful for keeping parts organized while working on a project. A tray measuring 27 into 20 into 2.5 centimeters costs $44, offering durability and practicality for both amateur and professional mechanics. Number 1. Cely TP6818 Electric Drum Pump, Versatile Fluid Management. The Cely TP6818 Electric Drum Pump is a versatile and powerful tool that can handle a wide variety of fluids, including water, oil, and diesel. This pump is powered by a car battery and operates in cycles of 15 minutes, with a 30-minute rest period in between. It can pump up to 16 liters per minute, making it ideal for garages that handle a lot of fluid management. Weighing just over 2 kilograms, the pump is easy to transport and store, making it suitable for both professional garages and home workshops. Priced at $597, the Cely TP6818 is an investment in efficiency, particularly for those who need to manage fluids regularly. Thanks for sticking around. If you found these garage gear innovations helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with more tips, tools, and tech for your ultimate garage setup.